Hey guys, we are back in the EV and this time we're heading to pick up a friend. Woo! So we're excited to have my friend that I haven't seen in 5 years coming to visit me, and we are having him try all the different. There he is. Woo! We're having him try all the foods. Yay! So first stop, Cheesecake Factory per his request. Let's dig in. Dunkin'. Look at his smile, guys. He's so happy with his Dunkin'. They have Starbucks in Jamaica, but they don't have Dunkin', so you wanted to try.
This is good coffee.
Okay.
Yeah.
One of our first stop, McDonald's. You have to try McDonald's at least once in your life. Miss Rachel. How is McDonald's? You like it? You like it? Our midnight snack, Raising Cane's.
Thank you. First bite.
Eating Raising Cane's, guys.
It's a good chicken sandwich.
It's a good sandwich. One bite. One bite.
It's really seasoned. It's really good.
He also said this sandwich was better than KFC. Keep that in mind because you haven't tried Chick-fil-A yet. But anyways, we're on our way to go get more Dunkin' because he was obsessed and we had to stop and take photograph of these cute little puppies. Now it's time for the Chick-fil-A!
Fries are okay.
Fries are fries.
He get down. No.
That's juicy chicken.
He get down. He get down.
I want her to get down.
Remember that sandwich I said that was better than the dinner?
Yeah. Eating Raising Cane's, guys.
This is better than that sandwich.
Chick-fil-A for the win, guys.
The chicken is so juicy. See the bowl. Okay.
Hey.
Chips and queso.
Chipotle. When you're dipping in the bowl, I want to see it. Look at that bowl, guys.
Right.
My bowl have never looked at that all my years being here.
Would you like chips and queso?
Yeah.
Real big back activities.
It should be healthy though. This is what all the gym people claim they eat.
Sure.
These are just some other meals we captured on our trip. Just like a random day eating out in Miami, to my sister's Sunday meal, and to my other sister, great big Thanksgiving meal. Everything was so yummy, so lovely. I wish it was Thanksgiving every day. Look at that meal. But thanks for watching. Bye.